Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Upgrading to LED headlights is one of the most impactful ways to enhance your driving experience, offering superior brightness, energy efficiency, and longevity compared to traditional halogen bulbs. With the automotive lighting market flooded with options, choosing the best LED headlights for your car can feel daunting. This guide breaks down everything you need to know to select the perfect LED headlights, ensuring safety, style, and performance for every car user. Understand your vehicle's compatibility. The first step in choosing LED headlights is ensuring compatibility with your vehicle. Each car model requires specific bulb sizes and types, such as H4, H7, H11, or 9005, which can be found in your vehicle's owner's manual or by using online bulb finder tools provided by retailers. These tools allow you to input your car's make, model, and year to identify compatible bulbs. Compatibility isn't just about physical fit, it also involves electrical compatibility with your car's system. Modern vehicles often use a controller area network (CANbus) system, and incompatible LEDs can trigger error codes or flickering. Look for CANbus-ready LED bulbs or those with built-in resistors to prevent these issues, ensuring a seamless plug-and-play installation. Prioritize brightness and lumens. Brightness is a critical factor when selecting LED headlights, as it directly affects visibility and safety. Measured in lumens, LED headlights typically range from 2,000 to 12,000 lumens per pair, far surpassing halogen bulbs, 1,000–1,500 lumens. For optimal nighttime driving, aim for bulbs in the 3,000 to 6,000 lumen range to balance brightness with glare control, as excessively bright lights can blind oncoming drivers. High-quality brands like Philips, Osram, or Oxito often provide accurate lumen ratings and feature advanced optical designs to ensure a focused beam pattern, minimizing glare while maximizing road illumination. Always check user reviews to confirm consistent brightness over time, as some bulbs may dim after extended use. Choose the right color temperature. Color temperature, measured in Kelvin, K, determines the hue of your LED headlights and impacts both aesthetics and visibility. A range of 5,000 K to 6,000 K is ideal, offering a crisp, white light that mimics daylight, reducing eye strain and improving visibility. Lower temperatures, around 3,000 K 4,000 K, produce a warmer, yellowish light, better suited for foggy conditions, while higher temperatures, above 6,500 K, emit a bluish tint, which may look stylish but can cause discomfort for other drivers. For the best balance of style and functionality, opt for a cool white light around 6,000 K, as seen in premium models like the Osram Nightbreaker or GTR Lighting Ultra 2. Focus on beam pattern and light distribution. A well-designed beam pattern is essential for safe driving. The best LED headlights produce a clear, focused beam with a sharp cutoff line on low beams to avoid dazzling oncoming traffic and a wide, concentrated spread on high beams for maximum visibility. Poorly designed bulbs can create dark spots or scatter light, reducing effectiveness. Look for LEDs with flip chip technology or adjustable retainers, like those from NAOEVO or Carhaki, which allow you to fine-tune the beam for optimal alignment. Testing the beam pattern against a wall or consulting reviews on platforms like Bulb Facts can help ensure the bulb matches your vehicle's headlight housing, whether reflector or projector style. Consider cooling systems and durability. LED headlights generate heat, and effective cooling systems are crucial for maintaining performance and longevity. Most high-quality LEDs use aluminum heat sinks, high-speed fans, preferably ball bearing for durability, or copper braid systems to dissipate heat. Fanless designs, like the Atom LED, are ideal for compact spaces but may have lower cooling capacity. Look for bulbs with a lifespan of 30,000 hours or more, such as Philips Ultinon Access or Luxfighter LEDs, which often come with warranties of 2 to 5 years. Waterproof ratings, e.g., IP68, ensure durability in harsh weather, making them suitable for diverse driving conditions like rain or snow. Check legal compliance and brand reliability. Before purchasing, verify that your LED headlights comply with local regulations, such as Department of Transportation standards in the U.S., which govern brightness, beam pattern, and color temperature. Non-compliant bulbs may be illegal for road use and could cause glare issues. Stick to reputable brands like Philips, Osram, or NAOEVO, known for rigorous testing and quality assurance. These brands often provide plug-and-play kits, simplifying installation without requiring modifications. Reading user feedback on sites like Amazon or automotive forums can reveal real-world performance and potential issues like flickering or poor fitment. Balance cost and quality. While budget-friendly LEDs are tempting, investing in quality pays off in performance and durability. Prices range from $30 for basic models to $150 for premium options like the GTR Lighting Ultra 2 or Keydroid Ultra Bright LEDs. Higher-priced bulbs often offer better heat management, brighter output, and longer warranties. Consider your driving needs. Frequent night drivers or those in rural areas may benefit from premium bulbs, while city drivers might opt for mid-range options. Look for deals on trusted platforms like Amazon or POC Wheels, but avoid unverified brands with inflated lumen claims. Conclusion. Selecting the best LED headlights involves balancing compatibility, brightness, color temperature, beam pattern, durability, and legal compliance. By choosing bulbs from trusted brands, ensuring proper fitment, and prioritizing features like CANbus compatibility and effective cooling, you can transform your nighttime driving experience. Whether you're seeking style, safety, or efficiency, the right LED headlights will illuminate the road ahead with clarity and confidence, making every drive a brighter, safer journey. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.